Hello! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a start screen in Scratch. If you ever wanted to if you wanted your games to have a starting screen and you don't know where to start it, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to give you step by step to how to make your own starting screen. It can be anything or it can be different. Okay, so so choose find any projects that you made. I would go in my maze game. That's the example. Okay. I wanted my game to be a I wanted my maze game to have a start menu screen. So first we need to make a new message called the next level and make a sprite. I'll name this called start button. Now, all we need to do, first we need to hide all of our sprites. Then we're gonna make a start button. So go and choose paint, or you can choose your own, or you can upload your own. I could choose paint to make my own starting button. So I'm going to use 40, 20, 10. Now, all we should do is put the center and change the color. Okay, now if we finish, now I would use when green flag clicked, show, use when I receive make a new message called start the game and press OK. And then hide. All should we do is put, now time to use the size tag, but this one is smoother this time. So put if then else. Sorry, do not make the next level message. I'm sorry, that's meant for my maze game. So use touching mouse. So let's continue. So use touching mouse pointer. Let's use change size by, and then I'm gonna use multiplication and put minus, and I'm going to use there's 200. I'm going to also use put to 0, and I'm going to use the size, put the size and make this to 0.2. Now put it in there, right click and duplicate, and I'll put to 150. Wait, we need to hide all of the characters. I'm going to use output in the start button. I'm gonna type anything. I could type start. Now let's check if that works. Now we need to program the start button so that when this sprite is clicked and I wanted them to start the entire game. So all should we do is use when this sprite is clicked, then broadcast a message called start the game. Now replace all the green flags into start the game. Now you need to use start the game, hide. and use this. Okay, replace all the green flags into start the game. Now let's check if that works. Now we got a working button. So I want the button to be a little smaller. So we'll put this to 75. Now we need to make a backdrop. I would name it white floor. White. Okay. I'll name it white and I'll name this to start. And I'll make it even cooler by just make you think that you're using the letter. So go to the use paste and use this. Now you go copy and paste. Now use when green flag clicked. Switch backdrop to start and right click and duplicate and use when I receive start the game and switch backdrop to white. Now we got our working starting screen. But do you need any instructions? Well, let's get started. So if you want, now we need to also make a title. Now I'm gonna use maze game. Now right click and duplicate, and I'll put this down below. Wait, no instructions. So that's it. Yay! So we finished our starting screen. Wait, I forgot one more thing. Now we finished our starting screen. Okay. Let me fix it. Now that's finished. Now we finished our starting screen. So let's check this out. Wait, I forgot that I need to remove one more thing. When green flag click. Hi. Now that's it. Yay! So have fun playing your game with the maze game. So I'm gonna see you later, and bye.